Welcome to Regent Middle East, where your education is beyond textbooks but focused on developing real-world skills. I am Jinju, Joint Head of Academics. Hi, ever dreamt of organizing the best football match or the spookiest Halloween party in campus? Here at Regent, we turn those skills into grades. From business, IT, animation and hospitality, we offer Pearson BTEC programs that equip you with the knowledge and skills required for the industry. And it gets even better. Imagine working as an intern while still studying, like in a hospitality program where the classroom extends into real-life hotels and restaurants around Dubai. Our campus is a vibrant world of its own, complete with a play area where you can unwind, student lounge for relaxation, a state-of-the-art library for your curious mind, and a campus so beautiful you'll need to see it to believe it. We offer Pearson BTEC courses in business, hospitality management, international travel and tourism, IT, computing, cybersecurity, network engineering, artificial intelligence, and the animation industry. Regent Middle East is a vocational training institute in the Dubai Knowledge Park. We run Pearson BTEC courses which focus on skill-based learning which employers and universities are looking for. Join us to create your own success story. We would love to meet you all at Regent Middle East.